Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome to my channel. I'm the channel host Namu. Welcome here. If you're new, please enjoy the video. Today we are gonna be reacting to a new group, the one of the groups which I've never reacted to before or never heard the songs of. But I'm super excited because they have some insane discography according to the stuff that I've read. Yes, today we are gonna be reacting to 1V. I think it's pronounced 1V, right? They recently collaborated with Hwasa from Mamamoo, and I wanted to check that song out, but I was a bit busy at that time because my exams were going on, so I could not check that. So please comment down below if you want me to check out Q by 1V featuring Hwasa next, because I'm planning to do a reaction to that soon. But today this is a different reaction. This is the new comeback or new music video which we're gonna be reacting to. The name is End of the Spring something. 1V End of the Spring maybe. Yeah, 1V 1V End of Spring. That's the name of the new comeback. It has a long title in Korean, but I can't read Korean that well, so sorry. Anyway, I really don't know anything about 1V. I heard that I just know that they're in the same company as Mamamoo, and they're a pretty old group, I feel like. Because I've been hearing about them from a long time. I just did not jump right into them because because of other stuff. There's so much music these days to check out, so you sometimes forget or miss things. But I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna check their first comeback, like my first reaction for them, End of Spring. And then guys, you please recommend me what you want me to check out from anything else from them, any other comeback, any other new songs, collaborations. Do you want me to check out their collaboration with Hwasa? Please tell me so I can react to it. And if you are enjoying this, please leave a like, please subscribe down below, and please turn on the notification for further reactions. I react to anything and everything in K-pop and upload videos once a day. Okay, so let's just jump right into this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. Ooh, what is that beat? Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay, sub. No sub. Are they a band? Ooh, I feel like they're a band. Ooh. Okay, they are definitely a band because there's a drum set everywhere. I didn't know they were a band. That's cool. There's really not many bands these days in K-pop, aside from like Day6 and something. So this is interesting. Ooh. This is a good voice. Ooh, what are those ad-libs? Ooh. Amazing voice. Let's go. Ooh. Whoa, what is that? Is this still building up? Yeah. Ooh, damn. That's a solid drop. Ooh. I like his voice really. His voice is really good. Was it him the first time? I feel like it was him the first. The one with the ad-libs. This is really, really good. I feel like I've never heard something like this before. Wow. Excuse me. Whoa, what's that? Is this Alexa? This is definitely Alexa. This is 100% Alexa, and I know that because Alexa has, done work before with RBW groups. Like she was in Mamamoo's Go Go Bebe music video. She had a collaboration, like a dance video with Moonbyul from Mamamoo. So I know she's like close with their company. This is 100% Alexa. The soloist Alexa. 100%. Yup, definitely. The way the camera panned on her, definitely her. That's so cool. Wow. Alexa is amazing. I really like Alexa. Ooh, the high notes. Wow, 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 wow. Wait. Let's go back. I was talking about Alexa the whole time. Let's listen to the music. I'm sorry, guys. Ooh, that's so good. The hook is so good. Wow. Yep, that's Alexa. That is really good. Wow. Ooh. This is different. The beat changed. His voice is really good. The one with the blue hair here. Ooh. Even his voice is really amazing. I think he seems like the main vocal. Ooh, that was so good. What is that? Flowers in a suit. Ooh, this song is so good. I'm loving this. It's a bop, dude. It's a definitely freaking bop. I'm loving this. Wow. Woo. Amazing. So this is not an idol group basically, it's a band. Which is really interesting because I hardly see newer bands. I mean, like, they're not new, but I hardly see bands in general in K-pop these days because, you know, everyone wants to dance and everyone wants to live that idol life, I guess. I don't know. This was different. This was really, really cool. Really, really amazing to see. 1V first experience. I had no idea anything about them. So please comment down below anything. Please comment down below who the members are, any amazing information about them, and any other suggestions on what I should react next from them. Any other songs, any other previous comebacks which are insane, just tell me. Comment down below. Comment if you want me to react to Q with Hwasa. I'ma check anything out, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Peace.